coming on every, yeah. Water coming out. The teeth look good on it. And then, get that there. As you can see, my torque converter spins freely. I just can't get the fucker off now. I don't. Yeah. But pretty much. Only concern that I'm having is, like I'm saying, is this is off the 2003 motor. Flex plate. So yeah, the flex plate has but that's pretty much it. I don't see any. I mean, there was some grinding from there, but that was when I was probably not putting it in the first few fucking dozen times. So, yeah. Got a little hiccup and could use some help.